Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a message to be sent at a later time. This feature can be super useful when you want to send a message to someone, but you don't want to forget or want it sent at a specific time, like wishing someone a happy birthday or sending an important reminder. Let's get into it. First, open the chat with the person you want to message. Type out your message in the input field, just like you normally would. Make sure it's ready to go. Once your message is all set, instead of hitting the regular send button, press and hold it for a few seconds. When you do that, a new option will pop up on your screen, showing you a calendar and clock. This is the scheduling option. Now, all you need to do is select the date and time when you want your message to be sent. You can scroll through the calendar and choose the exact day, and then pick the hour and minute. Once you've picked your desired time, you'll see a button that says Schedule or Send Later. Go ahead and tap that. And that's it. Your message is now scheduled to be sent automatically at the time you selected. You don't have to do anything else. It'll be sent without you needing to lift a finger. This feature is great for planning ahead, so you never miss an important message or occasion. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you found it useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.